Hello friends, Dr. Lipnitsky with Rebalance. Today I want to tell you about one of our patients who came to us with a concern. Now for some men, the erectile dysfunction is a real problem, but others, they catch it much earlier before it becomes a dysfunction. Well, this young man is only 30 years old, but he started noticing the past year or two some changes. Little by little, certain days he just wouldn't get a good hard erection. Nothing to worry about, but at the same time, he figured, well, it must be a sign of something changing in his body. He decided to stop it right here and there. He does not want to go into the pills. He doesn't want to rely on any chemical stimulants. At the same time, he wants to go into the bedroom confident, which I think all of us do. Well, for him, it was a very easy change. We just did a course of shockwave therapy twice a week for 3 weeks. And within the first month, he saw a complete transformation. He said, "Doctor, not only that I'm getting a very good, healthy morning erections, now I'm going into the bedroom with a super confidence. I forgot the last time I had such an amazing, strong, big, and healthy erection. I feel very strong." So as you understand, these changes are permanent. There's no medication on the market, there's no pill on the market that can actually regenerate your own blood system and return the circulation to its healthy state where you don't have to worry about the erection. It just happens automatically, naturally, the way it was created to be. If you would like to find some more information regarding the acoustic wave and its amazing effect on erection, click right here and we'll tell you all about that.